Tired of characters that change in every scene? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how make a consistent character. Then after that, how to turn simple image into a stunning 3D animation. Looks at this example.
Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the brand new ChatGPT image tool to bring your ideas to life.
This secret free method I'm about to share will save you a lot of money. So let's start the video.
Starting with creating a consistent character using ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPT. Search for Animated Script Builder. This is the icon. Now select Start Chat. Now you don't have to worry about consistent character and script, as this tool will provide all of that. And I will list all the used prompts in the Google Docs. This is the prompt. As you can see, it has started to generate the character details. This prompt style is the key element, so make sure you watch this part with full concentration. Input details and make sure you include come up with rest to ChatGPT. Our prompt has generated us details of our character. Now finally, we will be writing our script. And it has generated our scene 1. As you can see, it has generated not only script but image as well as video prompt as well. Now with this, you can go to any image generation site and generate the image. But for now, we will use ChatGPT itself to generate the image. So copy and paste the prompt. And ChatGPT will auto-generate our image. You have to be patient, as it will take some time to generate the image. Now, I will go back to the image prompt for my another scene and paste it here to generate the image. Nice, our both character are generated. Now you know how to generate the image. I will fast forward the step. And this is our final image. Now what if your character is not constant? Well, I have solution for that as well. Download the image. Then paste it back to GPT. By doing this, it will train the GPT model and it will give you exact result. Now that we have created our character, it's time to animate it. But before that, download the file first. Now, we will come to Kling AI for animation. Click on Video Creation. Go back to ChatGPT, as we will use the video prompt. We will use this so that we can generate the accurate result. Now drop the first image we created. Now the problem with Kling is that the server don't respond to free user. So I will show you another method. That is by using Google Flow. I have already made a video on how to use it for free for 15 months. Now create new project. This is its interface. You simply need to click on this button where it says Frame to Video. Now click on this icon. Bring your first image. It will ask you to crop it. If you want, you can do it. Now input the prompt which we generated in ChatGPT. Make sure you select one only, and VO2 is selected. And there we go, our first video is created. Doesn't it look natural? It would have taken many days to create this, but now with a single prompt. Now, I will follow the same process for my other scenes as well. Copy the video prompt and come to Google Flow. Simply upload the image. While it's generating our video, I will copy the prompts. And here is our result. Don't worry if the video doesn't lip sync. We have one more step to do it. But first let me complete our image to video generation. Now come to free website called Pixverse. You will get 60 free credits for daily login, which can create up to 4 videos. You can get additional credits like this as well. From here, click on this speech icon. Then upload your image here. And for voiceover, come back to ChatGPT again. We will paste here. Now select the voiceover artist.
I'm Oliver.
In this way, upload your other video and transcript for the voiceover as well. And you can always change the scene as well.
Right.
Click on Create.
Tom, did you brush your teeth? Tom, did you brush your teeth?
Now again, go back to ChatGPT and bring your another script. Delete this and upload your video and text. This is the voice script.
Hey, I'm Ethan. I was gonna do it after I got comfy.
I will show you another way for voiceover. Now bring your files to CapCut. Copy and paste it to 11 Labs. Now do this for all the item.